Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, doing another video today. And yes, I finally got my Galaxy S10 Plus. Actually, I got it early. I ordered it from T-Mobile. They always send their... T-Mobile is known to ship out these things earlier. So I got it on Wednesday. It doesn't come out till Friday. In this video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you. Show you what you get in the box. Then I will do a comparison with the other phones I have to see how big or small this phone is. We will go over the specs really quick too. Then I will come back with another video, do the initial setup like I normally do, and give you my first impressions. But let's get this video going. Kind of undid the seals already. Look at that. There is a box. SIM injecting tool. It's some books. Do we read them? Nope. Guys do not read books. Manuals. Yes, I got the Prism white. Look at that. Man, I'm gonna put that on that side. Now on the box itself, you do have the Galaxy S10 thing, logo. But let's see what you get in the box. You get the famous charging brick. The little adapter here. This is a cable, USB Type-C cable. And this is the AKG headphone. Why did they do it in white? I thought that was just a fluke. Let's get these bad boys out. I'm not going to use these things. So here's the headphones. They're kind of long, but I don't know why they made them white. Okay, that's up to them. But that's what you get in the box pretty much. Bam, nice little presentation. But look at this phone. Oh, let's take off this. Shh. I know y'all love that sound. Look at that. Man, this phone feels light. It's almost like my V40. Let's see the power button. Alright, so while this bad boy is powering on, let's go over the specs really quick. First thing I want to go over is the display itself. You have a 6.4 inch Quad HD dynamic AMOLED display. The ratio is 1440 by 3040. Also, it's a 19 by 9 ratio. I'm gonna put her on mute. Turn that off. It also has a Snapdragon 855 processor. It is running Android 9 straight out the box with their new Samsung One UI, which people are complaining about the icons and a couple other things I heard on the internet. Also, it comes with, I have the 128 gigs, 8 gigs of RAM model. This one has a 4100 milliamp hour battery. It has fast wireless charging, IP68 water resistance. Now, here's something new with the phones this year. 3 cameras in the back. Look at those 3 cameras. So in the back, you have a 12 megapixel 1.5 aperture regular lens. Also, you have a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. Gives you that nice up close feel. Also, new to Samsung, LG's been having it for a while, but they have a 16 megapixel wide angle. Shout out to Android Stud, he loves his wide angle. Maybe he will pick up this phone. Then in the front, look at us front. Look, let me turn this bad boy back on. The front cameras, you have a 10 megapixel aperture of 1.9. Also with the 8 megapixel camera for the depth sensor. Look at that hole punch. That's a talk of the town. Everybody's talking about the hole punch right there. Let's go over the phone really quick too. So you have an earpiece up here. Those are the front cameras. On the right hand side, you have your power button. It's kind of high. At the bottom, that is a headphone jack. You have your Type-C, another microphone, and a speaker. On the left hand side, you have the volume rockers and also the Bixby button. Yes, it's back. On the rear, you have the 3 cameras. Man, you may be looking for something. I don't see anything, but it doesn't have a fingerprint scan. How do you get in this phone? Yes, it has the fingerprint scanner on the front, y'all. All right, so let's do some comparisons. I have my Moto G7 here. Look at that. They're about the same height. The Galaxy is a little bit wider. Man, but look at that. Look, bam, look at the bottoms. But Let's check out my G7. The Galaxy definitely eats it up. Bam. Look at the sides. Also the bottom too. One more phone. I have the new mobile. Not too bad. But look at this. Look at this color on this phone. I love that color. What y'all think about it? If you picked up one, what color you got? Did you get the S10 Plus, the S10, or the S10e? Okay, everyone, so that was just a quick unboxing. I'm gonna come back and do the initial setup. Also give you my first impressions of the Galaxy S10 Plus. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S10 Plus. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.